What is up, my internet friends and family? I'm Charmx, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be looking at some of the funniest homework answers from kids. Now, I did something, or I reacted something similar to this before, so hopefully everything on this is new, and I haven't seen any of it. But with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let's begin. Alright, which is the best estimate for the length of a football? And the kid marked off 1 foot, and then added ball to the end of it. That's actually friggin' genius. I wish I was that smart back in school. Anyway, so the next one says, think of different addition strategies. Write or draw 2 ways you can solve 4 plus 3. And the kid wrote for way 1 is use your fingers, which is true. And way 2 would be use your head. These are correct. Did the kid like get good marks for this? Because I would say this is like a 10 out of 10. This is a great answer. Alright, draw your favorite part of the mass. So, so I guess this is from like a Catholic school or something. But the kid drew them leaving the mass. That's pretty funny. Alright, so the next one says, some atoms share electrons and become more stable. Describe a situation in which people share something and everyone benefits. And they wrote down communism. First off, that is a lie. If you look at the Soviet Union, there was like a little handful of people who were like the richest out of everyone else. They just stole everyone else's money. So in theory, communism works, but in reality, it doesn't. I highly doubt a kid wrote that. I'm assuming someone in high school wrote that though. Anyway, next one. Tony buys 1 dozen roses. 1/2 of them are red. How many of the roses are not red? 1/2 of the roses are not red. That's true. I mean, the answer is probably 6. But, you know, 1/2 is also the right answer, so you can't fault the person for putting that as an answer. That's freaking smart.
You smart.
Alright, so here's one that says, the table feels the downward push of your hand. What do you feel? Scared that the table has feelings. That's a great answer. I would too feel the same way. What is the greatest possible number you can write using the digits 7, 4, 9, and 3? Use each digit only once. Okay. Alright, but I didn't do it. But. This is my butt. We did not have this on the board. I said we would not do this word. Alright, so this question says, write greater or less than, but they just wrote or, because it looks like it says write or. Alright, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I really wish I had a list of all the stupid answers I've given in school, because I'm sure there were a lot. Alright, solids, liquids, and gases. Liquids, water. Gases, and they drew dad. Nothing like a fart joke. Have you been practicing the multiple tables? A little. Have you been practicing the multiple tables? A little. Have you been practicing the multiple tables? A little. Have you been practicing the multiple tables? I do not care. Although you might not care now, you are gonna care when you're older, because I wish I had like remembered all the math shit that I learned, because I'm an idiot. At least that time he told the truth. Alright, so this letter here, the kid wrote on it, and it says, hello parents, your kids do not need to do homework. They can goof off and play video games. Signed, the teacher. Or Miss Power. That's friggin' hilarious. Well, that looks legit. Alright, so this question says, write your own riddle about an animal. Follow the model above, then write the answer at the bottom of the page. So, clue 1, I am famous. Clue 2, my initials are JB. Clue 3, I got arrested for drunk driving. Who am I? Justin Bieber. That's pretty funny. Justin Bieber. And the question wants you to write a riddle about an animal. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share it with a friend. If you're new, hit subscribe and join the family today, and I'll see you guys next time. Woo!